inside, sir.
I can, and I am. Are you throwing me out because I am wearing my headwear as a religious? Right. I have done this inside of a court of law in Wolverhampton and I was allowed. The judge told me that I am allowed. I am a Rasta man. You can't do that. You are doing wrong. You are being prejudiced and targeting me. You are individualizing me. You can't do that.
That's recognising law.
What do you do?
We can't. It's recognising law.
You can't do that, but you can do
It's recognized. This is, I am telling you, you are being ignorant because this is recognizing law as well. You are, if you don't know something, you are ignorant to the fact. You can't do that. You are being prejudiced, sir. At the Cleveland Arm. Are you the landlord, by the way? Are you the landlord of this? Are you the landlord of this establishment?
Yes, I am, sir.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. Throwing me out of his pub because me as a Rasta man is wearing my hat.
I'd be very polite if I should take your headwear off.
Say again?
I'd be very polite if I should take your headwear off, so I recommend it to do so.